Takes you 60 seconds or less to create this algorithm on Airbnb account. So if you're new to Airbnb or you're an experienced Airbnb operator, guys, look, this video is for you. I'm really excited to do some screen share later, and we can go through everything you want to know in this process. Less than 60 seconds, you will implement that, leave it to attract those last minute bookings in your calendar. So we've got some great news to share over the last few days. I think if you follow me on social, I've got Samantha who landed a 6 weeks booking, netting her 1,200 net profit every month. I think the gross revenue was about 5.7k. Again, if you follow me on social, I've tagged them, I've showed them. I share my results with clients every day, and that's something I love doing in Grow Airbnb. I had Leon and Miranda. They're setting up for 32 nights booking, and it was for 5,000, just over £5,000, netting them 3,000 net profit on that booking. I had Kenny who went from 2-3 nights minimum stay, and my first call with him was like, look, Kenny, we need to change it to 7 nights minimum booking. And he was like, Piers, are you sure? Because we've never done that before. And I was like, look, you've got to trust the process. We've landed him a 32 nights booking for, I think, a whooping £1,500 net profit. So guys, these are the things we've been doing every single day for our clients. And in today's video, there's always some little gaps that needs to be filled in with those longer term bookings, and there'll be always few days that needs to be filled in. And doing this strategy will allow you to really start setting an algorithm in less than 60 seconds. So let me go and show you the screen now. As you can see from my screen, at the moment the calendar looks empty, and what we're really looking to do at the moment is, let's say that Monday to Friday customer that this property is made for is a big 4-bed property. It is set up for contractors. So in the UK market, we focus on Monday to Friday guest, which is a contractor market. So if I go into literally second, Monday to Friday, go on the right hand side, you can see rule sets, go into add rule sets, and now you can just literally name it Monday to Friday contractors. You can go into nightly price, give a bit of discount. Now it could be a 10% price off because they booked you Monday to Friday and it's not just a 1 or 2 nights booking. You can even have a length of stay discount, which I've already again implemented, so I wouldn't go and give them more discount. If it's last minute, you can offer them last minute discount, which can be an additional 5% off. It's really setting up algorithm. You can divide it, you can go 5% here, and last minute you can set up another 5%. And you can say 1 day before arrival, they can book it and they can get that discount. Trip of length, it's got to be a minimum of 4 nights, which we've already selected anyway, and then I can save it. There you go. Now, literally by doing this, what we've done is we've set a rule, which I'm literally now going to go and set up. Here you go, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. I can now go select Monday to Friday. I'm going to go save. You're going to see a change in color, and there you go. Now, easy as that, the algorithm is set for Airbnb to work on the account right now, and secondly, it's got to push that algorithm to your listing and also in their main plan, because then that way that's what a customer would see. So guys, as simple as that, you can see I've now set an algorithm for Monday to Friday guest. We're trying to attract that Monday to Friday contractor. With the pricing strategy that we've gone for at the moment, we've gone for the high-end market, which means their property set up really well, but we can afford to give that some kind of last minute discount. Remember, we're looking at filling the gap for now. We're not looking to give a massive discount and lose our profit. But in this way, not only Airbnb has now got to go and work on your account, because now it's got to push that algorithm we've set, but if you're used to doing 7 night stay and you want to land that last minute Monday to Friday booking, being Saturday, today, Sunday, tomorrow, they're more likely to have a Monday to Friday booking. So it's also when you do it, it's going to make a massive difference. So over the last few weeks, we've been very fortunate to work with a lot of people around the UK, and you know, we're just growing our system, we're growing our client database, we're growing our customer delivery. And what I would love you guys to do is, look, if you're looking to get started and you watch my video, there's a calendar link below. Just drop a call, book a call. I'm gonna, you know, come into the call. We'll look at some of your plans. You look at what you guys are doing. If you're starting, we can give you some advice on how you can scale or grow or get your first unit. But look, there's so many other videos I've done in the channel, which is again very specific to what we're trying to deliver for our clients. So guys, I hope you enjoyed another Grow Airbnb video. Please make sure you hit that like, subscribe and share, and I'll be back with another video soon.